Page 90, Arabesque. This is actually an etude by Burgmüller. He wrote a series of these in this opus. It doesn't give the opus. I think it's opus 100, I'm not sure. I have a playlist on all of them. There's like 24, 25 of them in there. This is one of them. It's just a fun piece to play, and it's a challenge because you need to keep the 16th notes even and controlled. So let's look it over. It's 2 pages long, almost. There's a repeat sign, but there's 2 pages of music to learn. Treble, bass, clef. No sharps or flats in the key signature, so we're either in C major or A minor. If you look at the end, we're here. That's an A minor chord, and we're in A minor. Do the scales and arpeggios for both, though. C major and A minor? Yeah, okay. 2/4 time, right hand first. 1 E and a 8th or 16th notes. 1 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E. Come up. Come up. That's basically it. Left hand starts out with chords. A minor chord. Then major 5, you get the 4 chord. The C chord. And it's here. The whole chord is actually this. We're not using that note. You don't have to use all the notes. Now on measure 19, the left hand gets it. Res. See, I like that. I wish they would do a little more of it. When you have working hands like this, you need to do it in both hands. And a lot of these pieces, they only do it in one hand. I think, wait a minute, give the other hand a chance. But here, the left hand at least gets a little bit of, not much, but a little bit of a chance to do that too. That's what we're after. Now, once I get the hands separate, then I go and put them together slowly, and it's not too. So I put the hands together, and then I'll go back over it slowly and work out any hesitations anywhere. Don't worry about speed yet. Get rid of the hesitations. We'll gradually speed it up and make sure the hesitations stay away as you do that, because hesitations will come back and new ones will crop up. Yeah, you just got to stop and work them out. Then I do the articulation, the flexing at the wrist, short staccatos. Accent. Sforzano measure 10. It's just a really loud accent. Just let the wrist collapse a little bit. Don't pound on it. And then, so I add the articulation, and then I do the dynamics. Soft, light, but when this comes in, that's what we want to hear. This has to go down to very soft, because this is soft. Measure 5, you get a crescendo, but start measure 5 soft, and then go up. Now you're loud. Here, this in the background. Then sort of loud. That makes the accented note a loud note. And in measure 10, both hands here. It's just sforzano. It's like, hey. And then soft. So I add the dynamics, and then after that, I'll think about the speed. And you may have to gradually speed this up. Use a metronome, gradually work it up. You don't need to work it up full speed. How fast can you play these accurately? And the way you can do this is similar to the way you do the scales. Accent every note, drop the wrist first, and then every 2 notes, rest, and eventually 4 notes. But even when I'm doing 4 notes, I'm still thinking bum, 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 bum. I'm still thinking that. It's just very light. But these need to be even. When they start getting uneven, you're going too fast. Slow it down. Everybody will have a different speed. This allegro scherzando. Allegro means quickly. And scherzando is kind of a prankish thing. That's sort of the feel of this thing. Yeah, just play the notes, I reckon. Now you get first and second endings there on page 91, and hopefully you know how those work by now. play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not doing the louds and softs. I'll do the staccatos and we're going to do the repeat. I'll give us 2 counts. Because we got 16th notes everywhere, I'm going to put the metronome on 8th notes. So it's ready and go and then we go. Huh. Ready and go and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and rest, 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 rest. Rest, 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 two, repeat. Rest, 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 rest. Second ending. Rest, 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 and 2 and hold.